July 10th. National Kitten Day. Kittens. Who doesn't love tiny, adorable kittens? Their big heads, giant eyes, tiny pink paws and noses, and the adorable mews they make. We can't resist their cute and furry charms. Surprisingly, Americans seem to like cats and kittens best. According to the American Humane Society, 95.6 million cats were owned, while 83.3 million households owned a dog. There is certainly nothing wrong with dogs, but a tiny kitten is irresistible. So join us on July 10th, as we celebrate National Kitten Day. History of National Kitten Day. Cats are an enigma, and humans are utterly fascinated by them. Cats have been living with people for 12,000 years according to scientists. We are still not exactly sure when cats became domesticated, especially since the skeletons of wild cats and domesticated cats discovered at archaeological sites are very similar. Still, most evidence suggests that the domestication of cats occurred more than 8,000 years ago. As if cats were not already so irresistibly cute, they are even more adorable as kittens. Sweet little babies that we just want to hold and cuddle, and once they start purring, our hearts simply melt. National Kitten Day is when we spoil and pamper our little fur babies. Created by animal advocate and pet expert Colleen Page, National Kitten Day is also an opportunity for abandoned kittens to be adopted into loving homes. While many of our kittens will be given special treatment today, countless kittens don't find homes. Left alone at shelters, on roadsides, or in the wild, National Kitten Day doubles as an awareness campaign to save these babies and give them the love they rightfully deserve. Thank you for watching.